It's been 2 months I've been unemployed. And it's not like I didn't get opportunities. I actually got 2. But I had to let them go. Did I make a mistake? I had almost 2-3 months of savings with me before I decided to quit my job. Second month is about to end. So is my savings. Oh, I can see a lot of new people. And it is rude to not introduce yourself to new people. Hi, my name is Swati and I have worked with some amazing YouTube channels before, but because of some personal and professional reasons, in the beginning of 2025, I decided to quit my job. So this is my unemployed series where I am sharing my journey with you all. Welcome. अब हम दोस्त हैं, अब आप मेरी बकबक सुनो, मैं आपकी बकबक सुनूंगी. That's how we connect. Let's go back to the video. So, I have only 2 options. I have to either find a job or I have to make this channel work. Like, this channel has to blow up like overnight. I'm taking care of the job. Trust me. But for channel to blow up, I need your help. Subscribe, share this video with your friends, not just this video. Share my channel with your friends and just tell them to help me. But this video is not about me. It's actually about you. So there is good part and there is bad part of being unemployed. For almost 2 months, I have gained thoda sa experience of being unemployed. So what should we do? Should we start with the bad part or should we start with the good part? Okay. I think I can see somebody saying, let's start with the bad part. Okay. Huh? You want the good part first? Let this person win this time. The person who's sitting on the chair. Yeah. He's like looking into my eyes and he's just screaming to talk about the bad stuff first. तो आज इनके सुन लेते हैं और चलिए, let's start with the bad part. First things first, empty pockets. You don't have money. That stable income is gone. There's a constant stress of how to budget, how to save, how to plan out your next move. Then comes fear of missing out. When you see people around you, they are working and you are not doing any job right now. Is it a good decision? Am I missing out on something? Will I get another opportunity like that or not? And then comes the market, which is super slow. I mean, I'm sorry, I don't want to burst your bubble or anything, but the job market is... You apply for a job, you'll get a response after 1 or 2 weeks, and then they will give you a date, but then again you have to wait for another 1 or 2 weeks. Then after 2 or 3 weeks, you do get a call back. Is it my phone? Oh no, it is. It is. Hello. I'm selected. Sure, yes, I can join from tomorrow. Okay, yeah, awesome. Okay, I'm waiting for the documents. It's been more than a month. I never received the document. Again. And then if you want to try freelancing, that's another story. You will get projects, but you will not get the payments because it takes a lot of time. When my unemployed phase, my journey ends, and when I get a job, I want an award of being patient because everybody is just testing my patience right now. And I think I'm doing a pretty good job. I need an award. Now, let's see the good parts. Yes, I am scared, but I also feel alive. I have a lot of ideas. I have a lot of creative ideas running in my mind all the time, as if somebody has switched on a button जो कि काफी टाइम से switch off हो गया था. Now I feel energized. I want to learn new skills, and this break has made me understand that all the ideas that I have, I don't want them to be just inside here. I want to let it out. While I wait for an amazing opportunity, I want to help you all out with things that you need to keep in mind before you decide to quit, because I don't want you to get inspired by me or by anybody you see online who says that follow your passion, quit your job. Listen to me for another 2-3 minutes and then make a decision, because I care for you and I don't want you to just take any impulsive decisions. What's your reason? I hope it's not that you had a bad day at work and you decided to quit your job. Is it something to do with your growth, or you want to switch your career and take a different path, or you feel negative about the work culture? Whatever the reason is, you should know the reason. But I will only say one thing, that having a bad day at work should not be the only reason for you to quit. You need to understand that there are going to be good and bad days at work, and highs and lows of certain days should not influence your decision of quitting. Whatever the reason is, it should be valid for you, not for me, not for anybody else. So if it makes sense to you and if you think it is the right decision, then it's okay. But yeah, make sure to talk to yourself about the reason. Number 2, have a cushion. It's a pillow, but have a financial cushion. Make sure to have some savings. You should ideally have 3 to 6 months of savings with you, so that you have that time while you search for another job. Otherwise, you might end up taking desperate decisions. Job you don't want, but you'll have to say yes because you don't have money. So make sure that before taking the decision of I quit, you have some amount of savings in your bank, so that 3-4 महीने 6 महीने जितना भी वो टाइम लगे वो स्मूथली निकले, एंड आप जो डिसीजन ले पाओ ऑफ गेटिंग अ न्यू जॉब वो इंटायरली बेस्ड हो आपके जॉब, आपके लाइकिंग, आपके इंटरेस्ट पे, ना कि बिकॉज ऑफ योर फाइनेंशियल कंडीशंस. Number 3, do your research, do your homework and make sure to know that market में आपके job profile का situation क्या है. इस time पे networking बहुत काम आएगी. Whoever is in your contact in that particular field, make sure to connect with them and ask for their advice कि आप ऐसा कुछ सोच रहे हो, what is the situation in the market. I hate you, I don't want to work with you anymore, I quit. ऐसा नहीं करना. Make sure whenever you're breaking this news to a concerned person or a team, आप उन्हें enough time दे रहे हैं for them to also figure out कि आपकी जगह अब टीम में कौन आएगा. It should not be कि I quit and tomorrow you are gone. And make sure to end things on a positive note and professionally. हमें ऐसे breakup नहीं करना है कि block. Don't be lazy. Don't forget your reason to quit. If आप burnout की वजह से quit कर रहे हो, so make sure कि आप अपने आप को उतना rest दो, उतना time दो, so that आप वापस से refresh होके काम पे लग पाओ. अगर आपने क्विट किया है क्योंकि आप कोई नई स्किल सीखना चाहते हो, नया इंटायरली करियर पाथ ही चेंज करना चाहते हो, तो उस नए करियर के लिए आपको क्या स्किल्स चाहिए, उस दौरान उन स्किल्स पे काम करना. एंड इफ यू वांट टू स्टे इन द सेम फील्ड बट यू जस्ट वांट टू स्विच द कंपनी, सो मेक श्योर व्हाइल यू आर वेटिंग फॉर अनदर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी, यू आर डूइंग समथिंग रिलेटेड टू दैट करियर फील्ड. उसी से रिलेटेड अपने स्किल्स बढ़ा सकते हो, बाकी लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, आप और कैसे बेटर हो सकते हैं, यू कैन डू दैट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रीजन मेक श्योर टू यूटिलाइज द टाइम. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि जॉब नहीं है, जॉब जब लगेगी तो लगेगी और हम बस लेजी हुए पड़े हैं, फिर बहुत दिक्कत होगी. एंड लास्टली, एज अ एल्डर सिस्टर, younger sister, as a friend, however you look at me, I would just say that it's not going to be easy. There will be good and bad days, and you will have your share of stress and anxiety. So make sure that you have a support system and you can talk to somebody when you feel low. और एक चीज़ और, मतलब ये कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू से दिस कि अगर घर में रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ हैं तो मतलब जस्ट डोंट बी इम्पल्सिव अबाउट दिस डिसीजन, एंड थोड़ा सा सोच के अपना डिसीजन लेना. बाकी तो यार यू नो बेटर. मैं तो बस अपना जो जर्नी है वो आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ, सो दैट मेरे साथ साथ आप भी अगर कुछ सीख सको तो बहुत बढ़िया होगा. इफ यू फाइंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल, मेक श्योर टू लाइक सो दैट आई नो दैट यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, एंड लेट मी नो योर थॉट्स इन द कमेंट्स बिलो. अगर आप भी मेरी तरह ही अपने अनएम्प्लॉयड फेज में हो, या फिर आप भी अपने स्टडीज से रिलेटेड गैप ईयर लिया है, ब्रेक लिया है, या यू फिगरिंग इट आउट, आई वुड लव टू चैट. सो लेट्स कनेक्ट इन द कमेंट्स एंड टॉक अबाउट इट. अपनी भी जर्नी शेयर करो यार. मैं ही क्यों सिर्फ वल्नरेबल हो रही हूँ यहाँ पे, आप लोग भी हो. आप लोग भी मुझसे बात करो, मैं भी आपसे बात करूँगी. But yeah, thank you so much, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. Okay, bye. I'll see you in the next video.
पटेला जेब सिल जाएगा, जो चाहेगा मिल जाएगा.